Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic pollination of class 6th biology. Okay, basically students, pollination is transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the stamen to the stigma of the pistil by different agents like air, water, insects, okay, animals, etc. So पॉलिनेशन में क्या होता है, जो मेल पार्ट है स्टेमन, मेल पार्ट से पोलन ग्रेन्स कहाँ जाते हैं, पिस्टिल, जो कि क्या है, फीमेल पार्ट है फ्लावर का. ओके, सो बेसिकली pollination in nature it is of two types. Okay, one is self pollination and the other is cross pollination. Self pollination means the pollination which takes place within the same flower or between two flowers of the same plant. Okay, it is known as self pollination. So here you can see in the picture, this is a plant, this is the flower. Okay, so if the pollination is taking place in this same flower, it is known as self pollination, or between, okay, one flower to another flower but on the same plant, it is known as self pollination. Okay, on the other hand, second type, which is cross pollination, it is pollination which takes place between two flowers present on two different plants but of the same species. Okay, like here you can again see in the images, one flower is present on this plant and the other flower is present on this plant. Suppose this is plant A and this is plant B. So there is transfer of pollen grain from B to A or A to B. Okay, but the plant, it should be of same species. Like if the plant is of rose, it should be rose plant only. If it is mango, it should be mango. If it is guava, it should be guava. Okay, so pollination in nature is of how many types? Two types, self pollination and cross pollination. Now next is agents of pollination. Okay, students, agents means which helps in carrying out the process of pollination. Okay, basically the most common agents are wind, water and insects. So wind, water and insects, they helps in pollination. Okay, so the flowers which are pollinated by winds, they produce pollen grains which are light in weight. तो ऐसे flowers जो किसकी हेल्प से pollinate होते हैं, विंड की हेल्प से. तो वो फ्लावर्स कैसे पोलन ग्रेन्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, जो कि कैसे हैं, दे आर लाइट इन वेट, हल्के हैं. और हल्के क्यों हैं, ताकि विंड उनको ईजिली कैरी कर सके. ओके, तो ये ज़रूरी नहीं कि जो विंड पॉलिनेटेड फ्लावर्स हैं उनको हाईली ब्राइटली कलर्ड होना चाहिए, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. वो स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेलिंग होने चाहिए, ये भी कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. और वो नेक्टर प्रोड्यूसिंग होने चाहिए, ये भी कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. ओके, वाटर. सो बेसिकली पॉलिनेशन बाय वाटर, what happens in this pollination, the flowers, what they do, they release their pollen grains, okay, from the anther in water. Okay, then these pollen grains, they are carried to the stigma of the flower of another plant of the same kind by water currents, and therefore they helps in pollination. So like hydrilla, seagrass and Vallisneria, these are the examples of plants which are pollinated by water. Okay, then next is pollination by insects. Students, this pollination by insects, it occurs in those flowers which are brightly colored and which produce nectar and sweet smell. Okay, so nectar is actually, it is concentrated sugar solution. Okay, so these insects, what they do when they sit on the flower to suck the nectar, what happens, the pollen grains, they stick to their body. So when these insects move from this flower to another flower, okay, then these pollen grains, they are transferred into the stigma of another flower. Okay, and by this method the second flower it gets pollinated. So this is all regarding pollination and agents of pollination.